This grinder has seen over a century of use, now coated in rust and neglect. Today, we'll restore its legacy, turning it back into a functional piece of history. First, we carefully examine its condition. The rust is deep, the crank is jammed, and the screws are seized. It's a challenge, but its sturdy construction gives hope. Disassembly begins with precision. Each component is removed with care, labeled, and set aside for treatment. Next, the fight against rust begins. The parts are soaked in a vinegar bath overnight, softening decades of corrosion. Some components need special attention. The crank mechanism is realigned, and any loose or worn parts are reinforced or replaced. A fresh coat of food-safe paint is applied, preserving its functionality and beauty. Polishing highlights the intricate design of its embossed logo, giving it a near-original appearance. Piece by piece, the grinder is reassembled. Careful alignment ensures the parts fit perfectly, restoring the grinder to working order. The ultimate test, grinding meat. The restored grinder works effortlessly, producing smooth, consistent results. From rust to renewal, this antique meat grinder has been brought back to life. A piece of history saved for the future. Subscribe for more amazing restorations and journeys into the past.